So do it. This is what the question. The letter 9th to the left of 17th letter from the right end of the English alphabet is. From the right end of the English alphabet is. Solve it. Use your brain and solve it. I am saying your options also. So options. First one, BZYA. Roman option 1, B. Option 2, Z. Option 3, Y. And option 4, A. Try to understand the question and you will get the answer. The letter, first alphabets you write all of you. The letter 9th to the left of 17th letter from the right end of the English alphabet. So please all of you write the alphabet. Tell me what? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Is it yes or no? Yeah, somebody saying.
Sir, A.
A.
Z.
Vairavan, who is that name? Please change your name, Vairavan. Who is that? Oh, Nitinath, correct? I forgot. Okay. So, who is that? Pranav, who said A?
Sir, me, sir. Pranav, sir.
Pranav. Give your explanation, Pranav.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me, how you have found? Others also waiting. Everybody, Dilip and Alni, try your own. What they're saying. Speak, Pranav. The letter 9th to the left of 17th letter. What you understand?
Sir, from right end of the English alphabet, we have to...
9th to the left of 17th letter from the right end. Means what? 9th to the left of 17th letter from the right end. Means what?
Sir, from end of English alphabet, we have to move
17th.
9 letters, sir, left side.
So, from the right side, you have to go to the 17th letter. What is the 17th letter? T is 20. 9.
J, sir. J.
What?
J, sir.
Q.
9th to the left of 17th letter from the right end of the English alphabet. So 17th letter means where it will come? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Q.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So this is what the 17th letter from the right end. Now, the letter 9th to the left of 17th letter from the right end. So now what is that? From here,
Answer is A,
9th letter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what is the answer? What is the answer?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand, all of you?
Yes, sir.
That is what the analysis question. They are saying that 9th letter from where? 9th letter to the left of. Suppose I will take left means what? If I suppose this is the letter, this is the man. This is what the left side and this is what the right side. Correct or not? Yes or no?
Sir.
You see, they are saying that the letter 9th to the left of 17th letter from the right end of the English alphabets. So as we know that this is the right end and this is the left end. So right end to 17th letter means it will come as a J. So now J letter, what is the left one? Left 9th one. What is that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Because you see 9 plus 17, how much it is? Which is equals to what? 26.
26.
26 means which letter will come? Which letter?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Do you understand, all of you? Any doubt? Anybody ask me? Arvind, Arun Karthikeyan? Clear? Most of you answered before itself. That is what the thing. Logical based thinking is most important. So if you understand the question, you can easily solve it. Answer is A. Are you clear, Dilipan? Akshaya? Next question. You have to answer. Right, next one. A group of letters. Let me see who will solve first. This is the question. Do it. Fast you should find the word. You don't take more than 10 seconds because there is no difficult words is going to be coming you. Because maximum 5 letters words, that's all. So arrange very easily, you can get. Who will say? Dilipan, Padmavarshini. A group of letters is given which are numbered as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Person.
Is it person? Correct or not? Verify. So choose the combination of numbers so that the letters arranged from a meaningful word we want to get. So you can verify. Far easily you can understand that it is a person because every letter is directly visible to us. Somebody is answered already. Kevin only. Others.
Sir, first is the answer, sir.
Have you found?
Person.
Sir,
Yeah. So R O P.
First one is the answer.
Yeah.
First option.
Yes. First option. So 3, 5, 1, 2, 4. Correct or not? So you can
1,
check
6,
it.
2, 4, 3.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 they are saying. So we know that it is looks like what person. So means 3 will come first. Person spelling what? P-R-S-I-O-N. P-E. 3, 5, R. 1, S. 6, O. O.
2.
Person.
Four.
4. So 3, 5,
4.
1, 2, 4. 3, 5, 1, 6, 2, 4. Which option?
First one, sir.
So that is the person. Correct or not? Can you able to identify?
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no? That is. So like
Yes,
very
sir.
simple. See, 5 questions definitely in this model will come related to this. That is what we have to find is smartness. Your friends will take 10 seconds means you should take only 2 seconds for these questions. Then you will get definitely, you will qualify the exams. I know that. That is what I will expect from you all always. So you have to do it. Next question. Shall we identify? Now I will say you a little bit of Venn diagrams and all. Then we can understand it. Okay, Ra? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now let us go with that first question. This is directions. 41 to 45 directions will be. So first observe the questions and later only I will teach you. Just a minute. Now all of you observe this question. Can you able see this question? Now observe these questions. So this is what it is saying. You can take here. What they are, read the question, all of you. What they're saying. What they're saying, read. So select from the given diagrams A, B, C, D, the one that illustrate the relationship among given classes. So 4 diagrams I have given. So this is called as Venn diagrams. Is it yes or no? Yes? Interjection, union,
Yes, sir.
have you studied or not? Lower classes you have studied, 9th class and all. Venn diagrams you may come. So this is called as Venn diagrams. Means relation we have to find based upon these images. Means they are belongs to the same family or something union or interjection like that it will come. So this is what the thing. Observe very carefully all of you. This is what the diagrams. First one. Now let us see who will answer the first question. First one is birds, tigers and peacocks. Under water. Birds, tigers and peacocks. This is what the first question. You can take it directly. I am writing you here. The 41st question, 41 first question is birds, tigers and peacock. So which will undercome what? Anybody? Which one? Option is A,
Sir, B, sir.
C, D.
Sir, B, sir, right, sir.
So this is
Sir,
what?
B, sir.
And this is 2,
B.
this is 3,
Sir, B.
and this is 4. How you can say? Answer.
Sir, because
Sir, because bird is belongs to peacock.
Bird is belongs to? Bird is belongs to? So you can observe here.
Peacock.
They are saying that what is the relation? First one, bird and peacock are both are bird family. Correct or not? Peacock is one of the bird, part of a birds. Correct? So that if I'll consider first, but tiger is different one. Tiger is animal, the peacock is a bird, and this is also bird. That is why. So I am considering one bird and another one is one animal. So as we know that animal is called as what? Tiger. Correct? Peacock is a part of bird, so that what will come? Part it is, inside it is. So that is why option, which option is correct? Which option is
B.
correct? B option is correct.
B
You
option.
understand? You understand or not? Yes or no, all of you? So that is
Show the 4 diagrams.
Yes, sir.
diagram. See it. This is what the 4 diagrams. Arun Karthikeyan, respond me. Next, right. Football fans, cricket fans, and kabaddi fans. Football fans, cricket fans, and kabaddi fans. Football fans, cricket fans, and kabaddi fans. Second question. Football fans, cricket fans, and kabaddi fans.
Sir.
Ah.
Yes, sir. Sir, A.
Observe very carefully. Again, A diagram, A, B,
Sir, C, sir.
A, B, C, D. Observe very carefully. C.
Sir, C, sir.
No, how it is C?
Sir. A, sir.
How it is C? Suppose see Pranav. How
Sir,
you are
because
saying
both sports are played with one ball, sir.
that is not. Both are A. That is don't consider ball or bat. That is not. All our games are not. First, you tell me that. All our games are not.
Yes, sir.
Pranav, you tell me Pranav. Do you like football, Pranav? Yesterday match also happened. Do you like Pranav?
Sir, C. Sir,
Yes, sir.
Do you like or not? Yes or no? So you like
Sir.
football. Same
Yes,
way
sir.
you like cricket. Do you like cricket?
Yes, sir.
Do you like also kabaddi? Correct or not? I know.
Yes, sir.
So means in the sense of you are the same person in a 3 categories. So means in the sense of where it will come. Observe very carefully the pictures. Both are. So let us imagine one fellow is, suppose let us take one group is cricket football fans, another is cricket fans, another one is kabaddi fans. Now you see Pranav is in everywhere. Then what will come? Common point should come. Correct or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That common point where the 3 are intersecting, that is what the fan, maybe football fans, maybe cricket fans, maybe kabaddi fans, maybe football fans. Some of them. Correct or not? So that is why which picture will come? Picture A. You understand Pranav?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? That is. So that is what the 42. Now 43 question you see. Tamil, write it. We are Tamil Nadu, correct? So Tamil, write. Tamil, Telugu languages. Telugu languages. Options also I will give you. A, B, D, none of this. Languages. No, languages. Tamil, Telugu. So what is the options? A, B, D, and option I am giving you none.
None of this.
None. Why none? Why none?
Sir, because it will come in C, sir. C.
See, both are maybe
Tamil, Telugu,
languages.
intersecting
Both are maybe languages. But there is no common between Tamil and Telugu. Correct or not? Yes or no? Do you able to understand all of you?
Yes, sir.
So you can take separately. Suppose see, I will give you 3 different things. Suppose like this is up. I have given a big circle in that Telugu and Tamil. Then it is correct. Correct or not? Yes or no?
Yes,
Do you
sir.
understand all of you?
Yes,
Suppose
sir.
see, according to that, what they are saying that languages means very big. So in that, Tamil is one of the language and Telugu is the one of the language. So this picture, if they will give, this is correct. Correct or not? If they will give Hindi is another language.
Yes, sir.
Marathi is another language. Like this will come means this is correct. But here, this kind of picture is not there. Correct or not? Because there is no common thing between Tamil and Telugu. Both are languages. I am saying that, but they are not having common thing. That is why. What is the correct answer, Alni?
None of these.
None of these.
None
Here
of these.
nothing is matching. Correct or not? You see, suppose, sir, somebody will choose D option. Correct? You people are choosing D. Correct? Yes or no? Somebody said D option, but see, let us consider outer ring is languages. Next, second ring, if you consider Tamil, then Telugu is not a part of Tamil. Correct or not? So that it won't come. Do you understand? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that what is the answer? Arun Karthikeyan, Ganapati?
None of these.
None of this. Next, 44 question. That instructions I'm giving you. Right, next question. Human beings, Indians and Tamilians. Human beings, Indians and Tamilians. Human beings,
Sir, D,
Indians
sir.
and Tamilians.
Sir, D,
Human
sir.
beings-
Sir, D.
Ah,
D.
D, sir.
Human.
Sir,
Sir.
D.
Sir.
D.
Humans, Indians and Tamilians. So what option? Human beings. All are humans. In that,
Sir, all are humans, sir. In that Indian.
All are Indians.
India is part.
Sir,
This
in
is
that
human
Indian
beings.
Tamilians
This
also
is
the-
India.
all
Tamilians
So
are
India,
there, sir.
Tamil Nadu is one of the part of it.
Tamilians
So
also
that
are there.
Tamilian. So that is what the representation. So which diagram? Which
Option
diagram?
D.
Option D will be.
Option D diagram. Option D diagram.
Anybody having any doubt? Arun Karthikeyan, speak. Tarani Pushpa. Do you understand or not?
No
Padma
doubt,
Shri?
sir.
Okay, that is very simple. Next one. Let us see who will answer first. Answer. Tamil Nadu, Punjab, Haryana. Tamil Nadu, Punjab, Haryana.
A.
Tamil Nadu, Punjab, Haryana.
Option C.
Tamil Nadu, Punjab and Haryana.
Haryana.
Which option?
Yes, C.
C option.
The C
Because-
option.
So because Tamil Nadu is a separate state, but Punjab and Haryana both are
Tamil Nadu
having
is
common capital. Understand it? So common capital
Yes, sir.
city, correct or not? Both are belongs to the same. So that is why. So they are having
Yes, sir.
a common point between Punjab and Haryana. Their capital city is same. Do you notice it or not? What is the capital city of Punjab and Haryana?
Sir, Haryana is the capital of Punjab, sir.
Huh?
Haryana is the capital of Punjab, sir.
Now, but Haryana and Punjab both are separated states, ra? They have a common capital city like Andhra and Telangana. That is why they have an interjection. That is called as what is Punjab capital city? Now, Chandigarh, have you heard?
Yes, sir.
Check, browse it and tell me what is the capital city of the Punjab? Chandigarh only.
Sir, Chandigarh, sir.
Yeah.
Chandigarh.
So it is Haryana and Chandigarh. Actually, Chandigarh is located in Haryana only, but that is before we used to call it as Punjab. Later, it has been separated to two states, and they have a common capital city now. That is called as Chandigarh. That is why this both is under interject. They have some common point. That is why they have a understanding. They have together, and one is Tamil Nadu is separate state. So which one will come? Which one will come? So Tamil Nadu
C,
is
sir.
separate state, and Punjab is also one of the state, and Haryana is some other part. Something is having a mixing between Punjab and Haryana, and that is why option C is the correct answer. Do you understanding all of you? Yes, sir. No, Arya?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Any doubt? Ask me. Okay. So like these questions, definitely 5 questions will come around. You may understanding the question paper, how it will be coming, how it is going to come. Yeah, tell Dileepan to join fastly again. So like these questions, definitely 5 will come. Now, next type of 5 questions I will say, you see, if you'll observe that then you will see how easy it is. Understand? So what is the questions? Let us discuss. Very, very simple, Ra. I will ask, these questions definitely will come. This is also like intersection and union. Common point, you have to be find it. That's all. Nothing will be there. So let us discuss next 45 to 50 questions, how it will be present and how we need to solve them. I will teach you. So now, shall we go with that?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, I have informed him. That is. So all of you see the question. This is what the 46 to 50 questions. 46 to 50. Now observe very carefully like this how to solve these questions. 46 to 50 questions. So these are same common point. This is even puzzles like things you may see in the newspapers also. So the following figure contains what? Ra? Contains what? One rectangle. What is the rectangle? Where it is located? Tell me. One rectangle.
Triangle.
One rectangle. Correct? Rectangle. Next
Sir.
square. Next one triangle. One triangle and one circle. This is what it is happening. Correct or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now observe very carefully. Triangle represents the region of rice. Correct or not? Triangle represents what?
Region of rice.
No.
Sir,
Correct.
rectangle
So,
only,
yes.
sir.
Rectangle, square, circle, and triangle. Otherwise, they will follow. So they will represent the regions of rice. So square will represent what? Rectangle. Rectangle will represent what? Rice.
Rice.
Correct?
Region
Next,
of rice.
gram will be represented by what?
Square, gram.
Square. Gram will be represented by square.
Circle
Next,
next.
maize will be represented by
Circle.
Circle.
maize will be represented by circle, and triangle is represented by what?
Feet.
Wheat. That is what. So now we can understand the interjection point. So let us understand. This is what the cultivation respectively. On the basis of the given figure, answer the questions below. Let us see how smart we will see. So how we need to do and fastly we have to solve it. That is what our target. So square rectangle represents rice. Square represents gram, circle represents what? Maize, and triangle represents what? Wheat. Correct? So now write the first question. What is the first question means? All of you. Which region cultivate all the four? Which region cultivate all the four? That is what my first question. Which region? Which region? Which region?
Circle, sir.